Hi, Year 11, new Year 12 group, welcome to term 4. Okay, so we're still doing offsite learning, so you should have all received your pack with your paper booklets in, and this is what the Marine Studies booklet looks like. So please contact your tribe leader if you haven't received one. You definitely need one, and one for all of your subjects, so please let them know if you didn't get it. Facebook, we're still going to use Facebook. Please check it on a daily basis. It's a great way of you staying in a routine in preparation for coming back to school. So get up, set your alarm in the morning, get yourself awake to have breakfast before you start attempting your work, and have a look. It will give you daily reminders, and it will give you the links to Zoom and the YouTube explanation videos, etc. So please check that on a daily basis. All right, congratulations. It is now term 4. You are year 12. Okay, so we are all in this together. Please know that we support you and love you and care for you so much. And we are here to make sure that you complete your HSC course. Okay, so congratulations. You've almost finished 3 years of high school. Okay, and it won't be long until it's next year. And we're going to be having some exciting ways of finishing off the school. So just to double check you've got my details, if you need to contact me, here is my direct email address. Remember, stay tuned with Facebook, my direct email. If you can't get hold of me for some reason, contact your tribe leader, or if you just need me to give you a phone call because you can't use internet, etc., contact your tribe leader to let me know, and I will give you a call or a text, whatever works best. All right, plan of action for term 4. Marine Studies lessons will happen every Thursday. We're having a look at 3 weeks being offsite. So each Thursday will be Marine Studies Day. Have a look at your timetable for your other subjects. 12 o'clock Zoom each of those days. Okay, so week 1, Thursday the 7th of October, this Thursday at 12 o'clock, meet me on Zoom and we'll get together and we'll kick off. All right, preparation prior to Zoom. Please, before you get on to Zoom, okay, and I don't want this to be 5 minutes before, I want you to put some time into this, you need to attempt the booklet in accordance to each week. So just focus on week 1. The pages will be illustrated in the booklet of which one is week 1. So just focus on that in week 1. When it's week 2, just focus on week 2. When it's week 3, just focus on week 3. Videos explaining, like this one, will be uploaded to Facebook, and it will take you to the YouTube account where you'll be able to watch the video. And Zoom, prepare any questions that you might have. So you attempt the work before Zoom, you've watched the explanation video, so you have an extra understanding on what you need to do and how to approach it. When you get to Zoom, you might already have some questions. I want questions. Okay, I want to be able to say hi to you, I want to be able to look at working through the booklet, and I want some questions. So attempt the booklet beforehand, be prepared with questions, and be prepared to say hi and talk to me. Because I miss you guys. All right, nitty gritty, some of the must do's. Okay, you must attend each Zoom lesson. That is a top priority for you. Refer to your timetable. Each day you will have one subject and one Zoom to attend, 12 o'clock each day. Non-attendance on Zoom will be marked as non-attendance on the school roll. So if you don't attend to Zoom, it's pretty much as if you're not attending to school. And you need to complete your booklet according to each week 1, 2, and 3. And I'll tell you exactly the pages that I want you to focus on before we get to Zoom. So how it works is a little explanation in your booklets on page 2. Okay, basically we're supporting you online. If you have issues with internet, phone calls and messages or emails, whatever works better for you, we can organize that. But particularly if you can't get onto Zoom, I can give you a phone call. For each lesson, I'll give you a bit of a tick list, okay, in your booklets. So we might read for the first 5 minutes. That gives us time for people to join onto Zoom. We'll have a bit of discussion, and then we'll have a look at completing some of the tasks and the questions. All right, what are we going to be studying about? So this term and next term, so term 4 and then term 1, We'll be covering the following topics, which will be seafood handling and processing. So we'll have a look at cooking, preparing and presenting seafood dishes. So you'll have the experience to experiment with particular types, eating particular types of seafood. And we'll also have a look at the anatomy and physiology of marine organisms. So this will give you a deeper understanding of the seafood that you are eating, and it also leads into a deeper understanding on how that marine organism has adapted within their habitat. So we had a look at the environment last term. Now we're going to build on those, on that knowledge, and deepen our understanding of exactly how these marine organisms have adapted over time, which will link into further history that we can learn from the ocean, which will then benefit our understanding of life on land. And it also gives you the experience of tasting new seafood dishes or new food dishes that you may never have tried before. Okay, so in your booklets, it will clearly state lesson 1, week 1, okay? Gives you a little tick list of what we're going to do. Really, really important, the Zoom lessons will not be recorded, okay? They are not recorded, so you are fine to have your camera on. If you prefer to have your camera off, that is fine. However, if you do not attend Zoom, you do not get that content, okay? So because it's not recorded, we can't just upload it for you to watch later. So you're gonna have to make sure that you set an alarm to be on Zoom for 12 o'clock each day, okay? And make sure you do that, because if you don't attend, you miss the Zoom, you miss the content. All right, on page 5, can you please read through this before the lesson on Zoom? Still on page 5, read the rest of that. Then on page 6, you will have a seafood word search to complete. Please have a look at completing that. This is going to be part of the discussion when we start Zoom on Thursday, this Thursday, 7th of October. Okay, and I want to learn about what kind of seafood you have already tried and which ones you might be curious about. Then on Zoom, so you need your laptop or your phone ready. You can do Zoom and on your phone and flick it up without actually exiting Zoom. So you can do some research there. So we'll complete this as a group together, and we'll fill out this table, which is having a look at different seafood types and considering different recipes that we can put together. Then I want you to choose one of those recipes that you are curious about, that you'd really like to try, and put the title down, the ingredients and the method and how you cook it. This will then lead into the practical lessons that we will pick up when we return back to campus, when we get to school. So it will also help lead towards your milestone task in preparation for that. Next part is pretty fun, actually. So if you get to, there's an extension task where you are able to cook that recipe. So maybe have a look prior to Zoom on Thursday, have a look at what seafood you possibly have in the cupboards, your fridge or your freezer. You might have a tin of tuna in the cupboard, you might have tuna or salmon steaks or other different types of fishes in your freezer. There might be some battered, etc. Even if it's fish fingers, okay? Have a look at what you've got, and you might possibly be able to experiment with cooking, okay? When we do get back to school, okay, we're going to have a look at a bit more of a focus on documenting a portfolio of our cooking. So we want to think about how we're going to prepare the food, and we want images and pictures and of us cooking the food, and then how we're presenting the food. So it's really good for us to keep this in mind. And top tip, there's a different way that you might be able to take some pictures at home and then upload them to a digital copy. If you do get to do this extension task, okay, you can press pause on this video, and I want you to refer to the adjectives listed which address the following 5 senses. So describe how your meal tasted. You can Google search food adjectives, but this is just an example. So describe how it's tasted. Well, you could say sour, sweet, bitter, crunchy, etc. You might also want to pick up on some of the other senses to include in your description. For the next part, what parts were the best? What parts were the best of the meal and the best part of cooking it? Well, these are other things that you can comment on. Think about the presentation. the preparation, how you cooked it, the flavors, the ingredients, and even the expense. So you want to find something that works for you. And if you really like these dishes, you want to make sure it works for you in the future. Seafood is a great source of rich, healthy vitamins and healthy oils. So if you were to cook this meal again, how would you improve? And again, gives you a bit of a brief plan of action and stuff that you consider writing about. So think about ingredients, portion size. You might want them larger, you might want them smaller. It might be better to have as a lunch or a dinner. Think about how you can change things up just to suit your palate. Everyone's different. Okay, and that is my quick lowdown and explaining how we're going to approach this booklet. So, a couple of things to tick off. Make sure you complete page 5, which is the reading section of the Marine Studies booklet. Then page 6, which is the word search. We're going to use that is a discussion when we're on Zoom. And then connect to Zoom on Thursday, the 7th of October at 12 o'clock. And the link will be uploaded to Facebook. Okay, next lesson will be the following Thursday, the 14th of October. Okay, I think I'm done. Woo! All right, I'll see you Thursday. Bye!